Project 2.2 ISP Long Alarm Clock. This is my alarm clock project, a fully functional device that combines a stopwatch, a clock, and an alarm. It features a custom designed 3D printed case, a perma-proto board, 2 LCDs, and various interactive buttons. This video will break it down to see how it works and how this project was brought to life. The concept. The alarm clock project integrates 3 key features: a stopwatch for timing, an alarm clock that keeps track of the time, and an alarm that alerts you at a set time. The final build includes an Arduino Nano as the microcontroller, 2 LCD screens, one 16:2 for the stopwatch and one 20:4 for displaying the time and alarm, buttons for control, 2 buttons for stopwatch, 2 buttons for time, 2 buttons for alarm, a buzzer for the alarm signal, a custom designed 3D printed case that holds everything securely and brings it all together. This is the final stopwatch ISP. The time and alarm can be changed with the buttons on the side. Here is the stopwatch on the left-hand side. Stopwatch can be started, lapped, and reset all within one. Thank you very much for watching. Here is the fully functioning breadboard prototype. Pressing on this switch allows the time to start running, and turning it the other way makes the time stop. Clicking on the button to the right creates a lap time, and the button on the left resets the stopwatch. The yellow buttons can be used to adjust the time of the clock, and the red buttons can be used to adjust the time of the alarm. When the time of the clock and the time of the alarm match, the buzzer rings. perma-proto is a solderable breadboard that allows you to securely mount components while still maintaining the flexibility of a breadboard setup. The components are firmly secured with solder, preventing any loose connections that could arise from a traditional breadboard. This step was essential for ensuring that the circuit would be durable, reliable, and ready for the final assembly. PCB, organizing the circuit. Another permanent solution that can be easier than the perma-proto is the custom PCBs made using EasyEDA. The PCB organizes all the connections in a compact layout, reducing wiring complexity and improving reliability. This PCB sits at the bottom of the case, staying hidden. 3D printing, the case design. Designing and printing the case was a critical part of this project. Fusion 360 is used to create a compact and functional 2-part case. The first part is the main body, which houses the Arduino Nano, LCD screens, buttons, and buzzer. The large LCD is in the front, stopwatch on the right, and clock and alarm buttons on the left. The second part is the lid, which sits securely over the base, protecting the components while keeping access to the buttons and screen. The 2-part case allows for assembly and maintenance, as the lid can be simply removed to access the internal components without disassembling the entire unit. This final step of the design added a touch of customization and finishes the project off nicely. The functionality of this alarm clock is powered by carefully structured Arduino code. Here's a quick rundown of how it works. The Liquid Crystal library drives the parallel LCD. The Wire library communicates with the I2C LCD. The setup function initializes the displays, buttons, and buzzer. A timer variable increments using millis. Button inputs are read with digital read, and the stopwatch updates the display accordingly. The update clock function increments the time every second and manages hours and minutes rollovers. The check alarm function compares the clock's current time with the alarm time, activating the buzzer when they match. Each feature runs in parallel, making the device responsive and easy to use. That wraps up this video. Thank you.